Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign into Kraken application. To log into your existing Kraken app, first of all, download the Kraken app and open it up. Once you open it up, on the welcome screen, tap on sign in. Now, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type down your email or username followed by your password. After typing down your credential, go to the password field and write in your password. If you don't remember your password or username, you can tap on the forgot password or username link and follow through the instructions. After typing down your credential, click continue and you will then be logged into your account right away. If enabled, go ahead and complete your two-factor authentication so that you can get inside the app. Now that you're signed in, you can explore Kraken's powerful features for crypto trading, staking, and portfolio management, all from your phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.